Say that again because I wasn't recording.
ผัดแตงกวาใส่ไข่ทำอาหารเช้าค่ะสำหรับอาหารเช้านี่คือข้าวมันมะม่วง
Oh, it's that one. I thought you were talking about this one.
This
How do you say that again?
ข้าวมันมะม่วง
And that means sticky rice with mango.
Yes and put coconut inside
Coconut
sugar,
inside.
a little bit and salt
Sugar and salt.
yeah we can
And what do they call this one?
ผัดแตงกวาใส่ไข่
Okay. It'll take me a long time to be able to say that, I'm pretty sure. Anyway, it's breakfast time. Let's eat. See, that's not a traditional North American breakfast. Rice with... Is that chicken in there or pork? In here?
only egg
Only... Oh, that's egg. Okay. Egg, rice...
egg this is the rice I put fry about egg and cucumber together on top
Egg and cucumber together on top of the rice.
yes
Okay. And a little bit of chili. Just one chili.
just one chili not spicy
Not spicy.
and garlic inside and some salt and oyster sauce
Oyster sauce.
yeah oyster
Okay.
sauce
Okay. Well, let's see if it's aloy mut mut.
yeah maybe อร่อย
Maybe just aloy, not mut mut.
yeah I hope so
Okay. All right. Cup kun cup.
ขอบคุณค่ะ